Alright, so when you've been out, you need to go into Teams, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to your classroom, whichever class that is. You should have Teams for each class you have. Okay, and you're going to open the Teams. Probably have to double click on it. Alright, what you're going to want to do is come down to Notes. Okay, and then every day I post what we do. So like 128, we reviewed the notes. There was a graded assignment, and your homework was to catch up on your CK12 assignments. January 31st, we reviewed the notes for 8.2. We did the 8.1 worksheet. There's a CK12 graded practice assignment. February 1st, we did the volcano booklet. There's a link so you can do it at home. We did the 8.2 review questions. Homework was to read lesson 8.3 in the textbook. And these are, again, the notes. These are actually the notes for the whole chapter, not just 8.2. And then February 2nd, we did the multiple choice volcano worksheet. Should be turned in by the end of class. Both 8.1 and 8.2 CK12 assignments should be completed by the end of class. They should have already been completed, but I gave everybody some extra time. Please complete the 8.3 lesson plan lesson review questions for homework. So you need to check this. And if it says there's a CK12 assignment, then go to CK12. Okay? Some people are just checking CK12, but you've got to check here too, because this right here is a graded assignment. And all you have to do, you could download it, or you could just open it in your browser, and it is going to open in a minute, y'all. I promise. There we go. Slowly but surely. All right. That's a lot of tabs. That's what happens when you're a science Olympiad coach. All right, so there it is. It's 14 multiple choice questions. And the easiest thing for you to do is just either write the answers on paper, like just 1 is A, 2 is A, whatever, and then take a picture of it, email me the picture, or type your answers in the email and send me the email and say, here are my answers for lesson 8.1 multiple choice. All right, so there's no reason. Now, if you're sick and you can't do the work, I understand. But if you're home because you were exposed, but you are feeling fine, then you should be doing the work, right? I appreciate you staying home, trying to keep yourself and others safe, but you should be doing the work. All right. So I hope this helps. Make sure you check Teams first. Okay. If you're on this screen and you don't see your team, then let me know that, and we'll take a look at it. Some people have hidden teams by accident. So, like for example, if I go here, I can hide that, and then you'll have to go probably to manage teams, and oh. I'm not sure how to get that back. Oh, hidden teams down here. All right, and then you would have to come here and show it. All right, so it's there. You're in there. So just if you can't find the team or something, let me know, but it should be there. Just make sure you're looking under notes. All right, have a good day. Stay curious, friends.